This is a typical neighborhood in a Swedish suburb in Stockholm. Everybody's having nice time. My friend is happy.
Just had the coffee and now we plan to go to Central.
When you get out, you don't need this card anymore. This is the bridge which leads to the old town. Somewhere on the left here is gonna be the King's Palace. Getting closer to the King Castle, there is a lot more people on the streets.
We head into the cathedral now.
The cathedral,
And the streets are actually crowded,
packed with people. Welcome to the Royal Palace. Ah. Thank you. I gotta admit, it's my first time in Stockholm and I'm quite impressed by the views you can get in the city. If you are a king, you can just enjoy the city like a king. This is at the end of the city and there is a field with horses. What's up, buddy? I hope you don't bite.